All right, wonderful people. I welcome you today to another special package that we are organizing for the unification of Igbo. To unify Igbo, we must understand the different Igbo groups. And today we are on the land of the ORU people, the ORU group. Just like we have the Ikwere, just like we have the Isu, we have the Oka, we have so many groups, the Onitsha, the Nsuka, the Ungwa, the Ohafias, and so many groups in Igbo nation. We are in the ORU land. It is understood that the ORU people are one of the Asian groups that sojourned from the Igbo enclave down to the riverines. The ORU people were part of the people that communicated, that had a close ties, relationships with the Ijos, the ORU. And today we are in the ORU East of Imo State. We have the ORU West, and here is the ORU East. They are the ORU people, the ORU group of the Igbo nation. Just like I said earlier, the Ikwere, the Oka, the Nsuka, the Izi, the Eza, the Isobos, the ORU people, one of the ancient people that sojourned over there in the Ijo part that communicated with the riverines, and today they are celebrating their ORU. The ORU is said to be part of the riverine communities. History is here with us, and for us to make a very good impact in the future, we must go back to the history to understand how our people metamorphose, how our people coexisted, how our people really transformed into what they are today. My name is Chukwemeka. I am a Unified Igbos non-proponent. I am committed, I am dedicated. I have in fact dedicated all my life towards the unification of Igbo. All I'm asking for is your support. Keep supporting us, keep supporting the Unified Igbos now, as we keep on identifying the Igbo people and unifying them as one Igbo nation. Today is the ORU's festival, and we shall know, we shall see, we shall celebrate with our people, the ORU people, as they celebrate the ORU festival. Thank you and God bless you.